Linen Bloom, where it's being promoted as a trendy, eco-friendly clothing store that claims to offer stylish linen outfits at affordable prices. But the real question is whether it's actually legit or just another online fashion trap. The store typically markets itself around minimalist, breathable clothing made from cotton linen blends, often using aesthetic product photos and heavy discounts to attract buyers. Now, the idea behind this isn't completely fake. Linen clothing is popular, and many legitimate brands do sell similar styles online. The problem isn't the concept. It's the execution and credibility of the specific store. However, here's the key issue. The website linked to Linen Bloom, where it shows several major red flags. According to independent analysis, it has a very low trust score, just 20.8 out of 100, and is flagged as suspicious, unsafe, and doubtful. On top of that, the domain was only created recently, which is a common pattern with short-lived or scam-type fashion sites. There's also a bigger pattern in this niche. Similar linen-style fashion websites have received negative reviews, with customers saying the items they received look nothing like the photos, use cheap materials, and have poor refund policies. Some reviews even describe products as printed designs instead of real fabric detailing, or significantly lower quality than advertised. User experiences across these types of stores tend to be consistent. A few people do receive items, but the quality is often disappointing. Shipping can take weeks, and customer service is difficult to deal with if something goes wrong. It's also important to understand that many of these stores operate under different names but use the same suppliers, product images, and marketing tactics, especially through social media ads. So, is Linen Bloom wear real or fake? It's likely a real website that will take your order, but it shows strong signs of being unreliable and potentially misleading rather than a trustworthy clothing brand. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.